Hello, this is Diverchick, and in this guide I'm going to show you how to resize your images for free on WordPress easily without any need to pay any premium plugin. Okay, so in order to install the plugin that's called Robin, you need to go on the dashboard to install new plugin right here, and right here on the keyword Robin. Here you can see the first one is this, and it's already activated because I've installed it and activated it. Now all I need to do is just to go here on the settings and look for this Robin Image Optimizer. Right here I can set the configurations, which first of all you can choose the compression mode. This compression mode gives you the best optimization for each image. This one gives you the mediate optimization mode, and this one gives you the highest resolution of the image, which doesn't really optimize your image, but still it can, because if you upload a very high resolution image, this can also make it better by compressing it. Here you can make the custom 1 to 100% of quality of the image that can compress every of your image one by one. Now here I check on because it makes the auto optimization on every upload I make. And here I can put the error log to see if there is any problem with my compression of the optimizations of any image that this plugin makes. I don't want to check this one because I don't want to see the error logs on the front end, but I only want to see it here on this plugin alone. Now I save, and then I can go here and bulk and show you that you can choose servers right here. Premium of course costs money, and there is no limitation for any size of any image you upload. Here on the server 1 gives you the limit of up to 5 MB, which is a lot. The second one is beta, so I don't use it at all, but the first one is what I use. So here you can just click on optimize, and without any limitations of how many images you can compress, it does it for you automatically. And here you can see how much percentage this plugin saved you on every image. And that's it. You can leave it alone right here, don't close the window, and it will work for you until 100%. So it's very easy to resize your images on your WordPress and to optimize it. If you have any more questions, you can write down on the comments below, and I will comment. And on the first comment I'm putting the link to my full guide on my website. And if you like this video, you can like, subscribe, comment and share, and good luck.